Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be making some carrot cake. It's the holiday season and this is the time that people bake out. But before I go into the recipe, I just want to comment on a comment that I received lately, and it's about how Jamaica is stealing from other people's culture because carrot cake was originated from Trinidad and Tobago. While I really appreciate the chance to learn and engage in conversations like these about cultural foods, carrot cake has its own unique history across the Caribbean, and each country brings its own flavor and tradition to it. Like how you have curry chicken. Where was curry chicken originated from? In Jamaica, sorrel is deeply tied to our festive traditions, especially during seasons like this, Christmas of course, where we use it to make drinks, cakes, and other treats. While it is true that sorrel is used in various ways across the Caribbean, including Trinidad and Tobago, sharing this recipe was not meant to claim ownership, but to celebrate how Jamaica embraces and incorporates it into our culture. I believe, however, that the Caribbean food is a beautiful blend of shared and localized traditions. So I welcome this opportunity to acknowledge and celebrate our regional diversity. And I must say, for the person that commented on this, thank you. I really appreciate it. Let me know how sorrel cake is baked in Trinidad and Tobago because I really want to know. So let's get back to baking our carrot cake. So seeing that I touched base on where sorrel cake is originated from, I just want to talk a little bit about carrot cake. The carrot cake is a dessert with European origins dating back to the Middle Ages when carrots were used as a natural sweetener in place of sugar that they were there. Over time, it has become popular in different regions with each culture adding its unique twist. In Jamaica, of course, carrot cake is more than just a dessert. It is an expression of how bold and flavorful our style of cooking is. We infuse it with spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, often incorporating ingredients like rum. Some people like rum in there, or even a touch of ginger to reflect our vibrant tastes. For us, it is not just a cake, but a piece of heart that connects food to family, traditions, and celebrations. What makes Jamaican carrot cake unique is how it reflects our culture, love for rich flavors, and the creativity we bring to global dishes. Sharing these recipes is about celebrating that cultural identity while acknowledging the global influences that inspire us. Okay, so for this ingredient, you need some grated carrots. You can blend the carrot, but I like it grated. You need all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, nutmeg, salt, brown sugar, vegetable oil, egg, vanilla extract. You need some crushed pineapple that is drained, and you can use some raisins or nuts, and that is optional. I am going to put the correct measurement in the description below so that you can check it out. First, in a large bowl, you're going to sieve together all your dry ingredients. So that is the flour, baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon, all your dry ingredients, you sieve it together. And then in a separate bowl, you're going to beat the eggs, then add the brown sugar, vegetable oil. We do not use butter for this ingredient, and vanilla extract or essence, whichever you choose. Then you're going to gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix gently, folding in the grated carrots, crushed pineapple, and your choice of nuts or raisins if you choose to use nuts or raisins. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more recipe. And for all those who are interacting with my video, welcome back. I really appreciate the love and support. Now you want to tell me that after I combine all my ingredients and I realized that I did not add any sugar to my butter. It's a good thing that I did the taste test before I even pour this into my baking tin. So before you do that, ensure that you do the taste test to see if it is okay before you pour it in. And I just had some coconut that I have. This is optional. You don't have to have it add it to your baking, and some raisins. All this that I had is optional. So I'm just gonna grease my baking tray. This is what I'm using to bake the cake. Grease it and just pour in my mixture and bake it at 350 degrees, and it all depends on the oven that you are using. This is smelling so delicious. I cannot wait to try it, and you should give it a try. Let me know in the comment below how did yours turn out. And I'm just gonna sprinkle some coconut and carrot, the grated carrot on top of it. And guys, please do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more recipe. Mine turned out amazing. I love the way that it turned out. It is delicious. And yes, I'm gonna enjoy this. See you in the next video. Bye.